Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I went into CVS. I did all digital deals on these items, and it turned out very good for me. Now the Colgate deal was each one of these items was $4.99. You buy two, you get $5 back in extra care bucks. The mouthwash, you buy two, get $5 back in extra care bucks, and that was each one was $4.99. So I bought four items. Then I took the $10 I earned from the toothpaste, bought this detergent, not 13.79, 9.99, 9.99. Okay, that came up to. Let me just see. That came up to. Well, you figure it out. It was over $36. But I used a $3 off the Tide Pods, a $3 off the Gain Flings, and $2 off the Gain Laundry Detergent. I had $10 in extra care bucks. I also had a bonus $10, and I brought it down to $5.45. Got back $10 with that as well. Then I bought the special case cereal, and that cereal was $1.99 each. So I just figured it was $2. That was $4. There was a $1 digital coupon that I used. It brought that down to $3. So college students, anybody, you can do these deals and do very well for yourself. Okay, so get yourself together, get your reward card, download the app, and go in there and do these CVS deals. Okay, guys, I love you much. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Bye bye.